Alright, today we are demolishing a pool in Sacramento. This is what we've got. We already drained it. I didn't get video of that. It's about 8 feet deep, 4 feet deep over there. We're going to break the bond beam 3 feet below grade, and then we're going to backfill and compact. Well, my GoPro ran out of battery. This is where we're at. Got 3 feet down, busted everything up. Tomorrow we're gonna come out, cut all this rebar, and then we're just revealing the holes right now for the inspector. And then we're gonna start pushing all this in and backfilling. Looking like before we pressure washed. Got most of the dirt off the side yard. And then this is what the pool looks like. I think we did a really good job, honestly. What do you guys think? Final product. No more pool.